Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Airtable for dropshipping product research databases, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Airtable account and create a new base for your dropshipping product research. Name the base something relevant, such as dropshipping product research. Once inside the new base, you will see a default table. Rename the default table to products. Now, let's set up the fields for your table. Create a new field and name it product name. Set the field type to single line text. Add another field called supplier. Next, create a field labeled price. Set this field type as currency for accurate financial tracking. Add a field titled profit margin. Keep this as a % field type. Next, create a field called product link. Set this field to URL for easy access to your source materials. Now, add a field named category. Change the field type to single select to categorize your products. Input categories that you frequently work with, such as clothing, electronics, and home goods. Create another field labeled shipping. Next, add a field named supplier rating. Change the field to number to rate suppliers on a scale of 1 to 5. Create a field called notes. Set this field type to long text for detailed comments. After setting up fields, let's focus on adding data. Start by clicking Add Record to input your first product. Fill in each column with the relevant information. Repeat this process for additional products you want to research. To make data management easier, consider applying filters. Click on the funnel icon at the top right of your table. Choose a field to filter, such as category, to view specific product types. Next, let's explore sorting options. Click on the arrow icon next to any column header. Select Sort and choose a field in order for organizing your products. To better visualize your data, utilize views. Click on the Grid View dropdown and select Create a new view. Name it something like High Margin Products and set filters and sorts accordingly. Consider using a gallery view for a more visual presentation if desired. This is especially useful for showcasing product images alongside their details. Finally, regularly update your database. Add new products, adjust pricing, and re-evaluate supplier ratings as needed. With this structured database, your dropshipping product research will be more organized and efficient. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.